Hello and welcome everyone to the Commodity Report for the 10th of June 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So another week and yet again another commodity has broken out to all-time record highs here. We've got gasoline prices breaching their all-time highs today. We've of course got fuel prices at the pump now at multi-year highs. Alongside that, we've seen UK natural gas prices on Thursday breaking out 20% to the upside in a single day. Energy prices in the USA right now, WTI crude oil, they're trading back above 120 US dollars per barrel. Brent currently trading at $124 per barrel. However, oil priced in euros and priced in British pounds has now also broken out to all-time highs as we continue this energy crisis and super cycle, which is presenting you with massive opportunities to capitalize on this bull run that we're seeing on the energy markets at the moment. If you want to earn more, you have to learn more. This is why it's so important to have multiple streams of income, have that ability to trade. If you want to upgrade your income, you have to upgrade your skills. So with that, what else do we need to be aware of at the moment in the commodity markets? We've got China, which are now back from their lockdowns and restrictions. So over 26 million of the population are now out of their restrictions. And with that, we've seen energy demand ramp right back up again. And of course, we're also seeing the start of the summer driving season here in the USA, which again is further catapulting energy prices to all-time highs. Now, in China in particular, as they come out of their lockdowns and restrictions, the government has pledged to spend billions on renewable energies and growing the infrastructure in China, which of course is going to require more industrial commodities. However, the big problem is there is a large shortage of industrial commodities around the world. Bank of America have stated this week they expect the LME to run out of inventories in their warehouses for a number of industrial commodities, which includes copper, by October of this year. Now, of course, copper, we capitalized on massively last week with the 6% surge that we had to the upside. So over 6 trades, we banked alongside gold over 2,500 points profit with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. We, of course, talked you through all of those trades in detail. Before we actually took profit, we outlined to you the trades that we were building into copper over the last 3 weeks here, which we then banked a windfall amount of profit on last week. So again, just for that calculation, banking 2,500 points profit for every 1 lot contract that you'd be trading, that's $25,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you'd be trading, that's 250,000 US dollars of profit. As we talked you through last week as well, when we have high conviction in a trade, we don't just take on one trade, we built into 6 positions on that market. So we were able to scale out and bank into strength as the price was pumping last week on Thursday. We also did the same on gold. Now, gold actually has also respected the ranges that we discussed with you earlier on in the week, for support to be coming in at 1,840 US dollars per ounce and resistance coming back towards that 1860 to 1870 level. Now, we have had the European Central Bank announcement on Thursday. I would be mindful at the moment. Into Thursday's close, we saw platinum prices back under pressure, pulling back, and we've also seen silver drop as well on Thursday. I'm looking at opportunities on Friday to sniper in at lower prices to accumulate lower, particularly on silver and also gold as well. If we do happen to drop back down towards that 1830, 1820 zone, these are definitely zones of interest for us. And of course, if copper and platinum, if we do see them pull back further, back to zones of liquidity and accumulation, I would also be looking at topping up positions on those markets as well. So I've just put that on your radar as we head into tomorrow's session. If we do see a post-European Central Bank sell-off move to the downside, because on Friday we also have the CPI inflation data as well, where you can see big volatility off that news item as well. And then of course, going into next week on Wednesday, we have the FOMC statement, which is going to be a catalyst for large moves in the whole commodity sector. So I would definitely keep an eye on these news catalysts over the next few days. Again, this volatility is what you need as a trader at the moment. You don't want markets to just move up in a straight line. You want them to zigzag. This affords you an opportunity to keep coming back in, reloading, banking on strength, being patient, waiting for the price action to come back to you, and then again, building and stacking into your trades in order to capitalize on these windfall amount of profits that we keep banking at the Gold and Silver Club. And we definitely want you to also be able to capitalize on the current cycles and this commodity super cycle that we are in right now. Again, energy prices this week, they've been on an absolute tear. Gasoline prices back at all-time highs. UK natural gas prices, they're up 20% today. Oil priced in euros and British pounds, it's broken out to all-time highs over the last 24 hours. Fuel prices at the pump, they're at all-time highs as we continue to see demand outstrip supply. So with that, if you would like to learn the research-driven approach to the market, ditch those gimmicky indicators and outdated technical analysis strategies, you want to make sure that you're trading with an edge in these markets. It's 2022, it's not the 1980s where you just have to rely on technical patterns in a chart. You want to be utilizing data, market intelligence, statistics, learn and understand the cycles, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycles in the market for each commodity. Alongside that, the key areas of liquidity, the capital flows in the market. Alongside that, the intermarket correlations, the ratios, learn and understand the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, the geopolitics, and further compound that with the knowledge of how the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are positioned in the market. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make application to join our professional mentorship program.